Thank you for your interest in IMBeR, the Integrated Marine Biosphere Research Project, a global research initiative addressing ocean sustainability. IMBeR was born in 2001 as one of the global environmental change projects established by the International Geosphere Biosphere Program, IGBP. IGBP and its projects were designed to coordinate international research on global and regional scale interactions between the Earth's biological, chemical, and physical processes and their interactions with human systems. IMBeR was originally named Oceans and was launched under both IGBP and the Scientific Committee on Oceanic Research. The project's aim was to address the effects of global change on the ocean and investigate the most important biological and chemical aspects of the ocean's role in global change. In 2005, Oceans changed its name to the Integrated Marine Biogeochemistry and Ecosystem Research Project. In 2016, IMBeR launched a new science plan with the vision of ocean sustainability under global change for the benefit of society. And to reflect this new focus, IMBeR changed its name to the Integrated Marine Biosphere Research Project. When IGBP ended, its projects were transferred to Future Earth, which is now a joint sponsor of IMBeR. Over the course of this evolution, IMBeR has advanced understanding about potential marine environmental effects of global change and the impacts and linkages to human systems at multiple scales. IMBeR recognizes that complex environmental issues and associated societal and sustainability choices operate at and across the interfaces of natural and social sciences and the humanities, and require both basic curiosity-driven research and problem-driven policy-relevant research. To help achieve sustainability of the marine realm under global change, we need collaborative, disciplinary, interdisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and integrated research. This research needs to address key ocean science issues generated by and impacting society to provide evidence-based knowledge and guidance along with options for policymakers, managers, and marine-related communities. This underlies IMBeR's vision of ocean sustainability under global change for the benefit of society. This vision recognizes that the evolution of marine ecosystems, including biogeochemical cycles and human systems, is linked to natural and anthropogenic drivers and stressors. IMBeR's research goal is to understand, quantify, and compare historic and present structure and functioning of linked ocean and human systems to predict and project changes, including developing scenarios and options for securing or transitioning towards ocean sustainability. IMBeR's mission is to promote integrated marine research and enable capabilities for developing and implementing ocean sustainability options within and across the natural and social sciences, and communicate relevant information and knowledge needed by society to secure sustainable, productive, and healthy oceans. IMBeR's science plan and implementation strategy provides a 10-year marine research agenda for IMBeR. The plan is developed around 3 grand challenges. The first grand challenge is understanding and quantifying the state and variability of marine ecosystems. The challenge is to develop whole system level understanding of ecosystems, including complex biogeochemical cycles and human interactions, together with understanding of the scales of spatial and temporal variability of their structure and functioning. Grand Challenge 1 is directed at using a whole ecosystem approach to understand, detect, and quantify the effects of natural and anthropogenic change of marine environments. The challenge has 2 priority research areas. The first, to address linkages between food webs and biogeochemical cycles, with focus on the processes that affect ecosystem structure and functioning and responses to change. And the second, to address the range of time and space scales over which these processes and responses operate. Grand Challenge 2 is improving scenarios, predictions, and projections of future ocean human systems at multiple scales. The challenge is to incorporate understanding of the drivers and consequences of global change on marine ecosystems and human societies at multiple scales into models to project and predict future states. Grand Challenge 2 focuses on distinguishing and attributing causes and effects of anthropogenic processes to biogeochemical changes to inform projections and predictions of future ecosystem conditions, including scenarios and estimates of potential human interference. The priority research areas for this Grand Challenge are to advance the understanding gained from Grand Challenge 1, to estimate probable future states of marine ecosystems and representative marine species, and to assess the impact of those changes for human well-being and livelihoods. Grand Challenge 3 is improving and achieving sustainable ocean governance. The challenge is to improve communication and understanding between IMBeR science, policy, and society to achieve better governance, adaptation to and mitigation of global change, and transition towards ocean sustainability. Grand Challenge 3 focuses on marine governance, including the acquisition, mobilization, and provision of evidence-based advice for marine managers, policymakers, and other research end users. This Grand Challenge integrates the science from Grand Challenges 1 and 2 to support development of mechanisms that enable interdisciplinary research and cooperation between natural and social scientists and researchers in humanities, and enable effective communication and public engagement at local and regional scales. The Grand Challenges are also supplemented with innovation challenges that focus on new topics for IMBeR, where research is needed and where it is believed that major achievements can be made within 3 to 5 years. These challenges focus on 1, enhanced understanding of the role of metabolic diversity and evolution in marine biogeochemical cycling and ocean ecosystem processes. 2, contributions to the development of a global ocean ecosystem observational and modeling network that provides ecosystem essential ocean variables and improvements to marine data and information management. 3, advancing understanding of ecological feedbacks in the Earth system. And 4, advancing and improving the use of social science data for ocean management, decision-making, and policy development. The innovation challenges also provide a means for IMBeR to adjust its focus as major science discoveries are made and new priorities arise. Accordingly, IMBeR is developing 2 new innovation challenges, one addressing offshore blue carbon and the other addressing interventions to change the course of climate impacts. IMBeR is overseen by a scientific steering committee, which currently has 18 members from 15 countries. The members are chosen so that their expertise matches the science plan. The scientific steering committee is supported by 2 international project offices, one in Canada and the other in China. The majority of IMBeR science is carried out by its 4 regional programs: ClearTop, Climate Impacts on Oceanic Top Predators; ESAS, Ecosystem Studies of Subarctic and Arctic Seas; ICED, Integrating Climate and Ecosystem Dynamics, which focuses on the Antarctic and Southern Ocean; CYBER, Sustained Indian Ocean Biogeochemistry and Ecosystem Research; and by IMBeR's 4 working groups: the Continental Margins Working Group, the Human Dimensions Working Group, the Integrated Ocean Carbon Research Working Group, and the SOLAS IMBeR Ocean Acidification Working Group. IMBeR science is also carried out through the endorsed projects and IMBeR's Interdisciplinary Marine Early Career Network, IMERCAN, which was formally launched in 2019 to provide early career opportunities for collaboration, training, and leadership. IMERCAN currently has over 700 members from almost 100 countries. Through IMBeR's international project offices, regional programs, working groups, and its early career network, IMBeR holds a number of conferences, workshops, summer schools, early career days, and other capacity building activities. This implementation is designed to have impact on policy and governance, changes in behavior, and ocean literacy, and through building capacity. And IMBeR has produced over 1,500 publications, including special issues and policy briefs. Some of IMBeR's major events include Future Oceans, which are IMBeR's open science conferences, IMBEZOs, which are a special type of conference with 3 separate but interacting workshops built around a single innovative theme. The IMBeR China-Japan Korea Symposia are regional conferences held approximately every 2 years, and CLAMECOs are IMBeR's climate ecosystem summer schools. Over the coming years, IMBeR will continue to deliver these events in addition to the conferences, workshops, summer schools, and other capacity building activities delivered by our regional programs, working groups, and early career network. For all events, IMBeR strives to promote diversity and inclusion and secures funding to support attendance of early career researchers and those from the Global South. For more information about IMBeR in general, about our science plan, or how to get involved, please visit our website at www.imber.info and follow us on Twitter. Thank you.